Hey creators, tech fans, and crypto curious, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into one of the most underrated powerhouses in the crypto space, Render Token or RNDR. If you're into 3D design, AI art, or the future of decentralized computing, this one's for you. Over the next few minutes, I'll break down what Render is, how it works, what it's good for, and why it might just be the backbone of the next-gen digital world. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Render Token or RNDR? Render is a decentralized GPU rendering network built on the blockchain. Its mission? To connect people who need massive computing power, like 3D artists and animators, with people who have idle GPUs just sitting around. Instead of relying on big cloud providers like AWS or Google Cloud, Render lets anyone tap into a global network of decentralized GPUs. Think Airbnb, but for computing power. Alright, let's break it down. How does Render work? 1. Creators upload a job, a 3D artist or developer uploads their rendering task to the Render network. 1. The job is tokenized and matched with node operators, people who provide GPU power. 1. The GPU node renders the job. The rendering is done off-chain using the GPU of the node operator. 1. Verification and payment. Once completed and verified, the artist receives the output and pays the node in RNDR tokens. This whole process is managed using smart contracts and blockchain tech to ensure security, fairness, and transparency. Here's what makes Render so powerful. Massive GPU power access. Tap into thousands of GPUs without owning any hardware. Decentralized network, no middlemen or giant cloud monopolies. Cheaper renders, lower costs than centralized cloud services. Scalability, renders everything from still images to cinematic level animations. Supports multiple platforms, Blender, Octane Render, Unreal Engine, and more. Plus, it's not just for 3D art. Render is evolving to support AI processing, virtual worlds, AR, VR, and metaverse content. So what can you actually use Render for? 1. 3D animation and visual effects, ideal for studios, freelancers, and indie creators. 1. Architectural visualization, high-quality 3D models for real estate and design. 1. AI art generation, training and rendering machine learning models. 1. Gaming assets, build and render next-gen characters, environments, and textures. 1. Metaverse content, powering immersive digital worlds in real time. Basically, if it involves heavy rendering, Render has a use case for it. Let's talk real-world impact. Render has been used by leading artists and creators in the 3D and VFX space, and it's backed by Otoy, a major cloud rendering company known for Octane Render. It's also partnered with Brave Browser, the Solana Foundation, and is being integrated into tools like Blender, Unity, and Unreal Engine. And the Render team isn't stopping there. They're building Render Network 2.0, moving over to Solana for speed and scalability. Render isn't just another token, it's solving a real problem. Here's why it matters. The demand for GPU power is skyrocketing, especially with the rise of AI, 3D, and the metaverse. Centralized render farms are expensive, slow, and limited. Render gives creators access to powerful computing tools without needing deep pockets. It's leveling the playing field, giving indie creators the same tools as major studios. A quick word on the token itself, RNDR. It's an ERC20 token, soon interoperable with Solana. Used to pay for jobs and reward GPU node operators. Limited supply, just over 500 million tokens. Essential to the network's economic model, there's also a growing governance model, letting the community vote on development decisions. So, is Render the future of cloud rendering? It's looking that way. With a solid team, real-world partnerships, a working product, and a massive total addressable market, Render is more than just a token, it's infrastructure for the digital future. If you're a creator, a techie, or a crypto investor looking for real utility, keep your eye on RNDR. Smash that like button if you learned something, subscribe if you want more crypto deep dives, and drop a comment below if you think Render is a sleeping giant or already on your radar. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is decentralized and it's beautifully rendered.